If you want to take a screenshot without using buttons on Xiaomi 17, then there are many different ways that allow you to do so. For example, we can use the gesture screenshot. So with 3 fingers, we can swipe from the top towards the bottom, just like that. And there we go, we have captured a full screenshot. We can also capture a partial screenshot with 3 fingers, but instead of swiping down, we need to press and hold 3 fingers on the screen, and then we can select the area that we want to capture. Of course, we can still adjust the area. We can find some additional options at the bottom of the screen, and you can save the screenshot once it is set up. Keep in mind that these gestures can be deactivated in the settings, so if they don't work for you, you want to open settings, then proceed to additional settings. Over here we're gonna go to gesture shortcuts, and here we have take a screenshot and partial screenshot. In the take a screenshot we can find slide 3 fingers down, and in partial screenshot we have press and hold with 3 fingers. In both cases, of course, you want to make sure that these options are enabled. Besides that, we can set up the back tap gesture. So if we go to back tap over here, we can find double tap or triple back tap, and we can assign a certain action to these back tap gestures. And one of these options is take a screenshot. So now if I double tap the back of the phone, just like that, I should be able to capture the screenshot. Usually I tap like over here in this area, like in the bottom right corner, right next to the camera island. And if I double tap, I should be able to capture the screenshot. There we go. Now, that is not all. We can also go to the control center. And over here in the control center, we can find a screenshot button as well. So we can tap on this button with scissors in order to capture a screenshot just like that. If we go back to additional settings and proceed to Quick Ball, if we use Quick Ball, then we should be able to also find the screenshot button. At least by default, it is located in here, so I can tap on it in order to capture a screenshot as well. If you don't have the screenshot option in the Quick Ball, then we can go to select shortcuts and make sure that screenshot is one of these available options. Now, instead of using Quick Ball, we can also use the accessibility menu. So if we go to accessibility settings and then proceed to accessibility menu, over here we can enable this shortcut. There we go. And if I tap on it, I can open this menu where I can find the screenshot option. There we go. So we can use this too. And that is, I believe, pretty much everything. So leave a like and subscribe.